the easiest herb for complete beginners. If you want the easiest herb to grow, start with mint. Mint is almost impossible to kill and grows fast. It also tells you when it needs water by drooping. Once you water, the leaves perk back up within hours. Mint supports digestion, nausea, focus, and headaches. It is powerful and extremely beginner-friendly. Always keep mint in a pot. It spreads aggressively and will take over your yard if planted in the ground. If you want a zero-stress starter herb, mint is the one. Follow Path of Herbs for more.